Subscribers, in this video I want to show you how you make buttons. So buttons are super cool. I'm in my commercial template. If you go under interior stairs and railings, we could hit action items. And that's great, but the problem is I can only hit it once. So I could go and try to hit it again, and man, it's just the same thing, right? And that's how Scribeware always worked. It was actually Tim that came up with the idea of buttons, and buttons let you go boom, boom, boom. This is going to be particularly valuable with tables. So if let's delete these. Part of what we're going to be able to start doing when tables are released is hit add water heater, go under a table, choose water heaters, and now you could start describing it. It's American, it's electric, it's a tank. It's from 2018. It's middle aged, and you can put in the water temp if you want. And again, these I'll make some other videos on how you build these tables, but we'll be able to do things like this. So it's pretty game changing in a lot of ways because now an observation box lets you do styles and materials, observations, recommendations, and photos all in the same place. It's so flexible because if there's a second water heater, you just add another or a third or a fourth. So it's really fast for adding new water heaters. I have this comment set up as water heater. You could use texture placement. You could be like, unit number one water heater. You could try to build a lot of those. You could also use observation tags. So I don't have one set up specifically for like water heater, but you could have like appliance. This is more for like um, burners. So I might redo this, but you could have appliance locations if you wanted to like tag where you found water heaters to make that fast. So it's some really cool functionality. So how you build these is if you edit the section, if I went into this one, which is not a button, we could edit it and I could come down here and display options as buttons and hit save. And now these are all buttons. So unfortunately, you can't choose one item on a line to be a button. Like I couldn't make this one button and have these ones normal. So that is a little bit of design criteria. So I'm going to uncheck that, and then you can see it's back to like a pull down. But as long as you have buttons on one line, you can have multiple buttons on a line. You just can't have sort of both a pull down and a button, if that makes sense. So again, I'll show you one more time. You edit the section and you go to any field and it's display options as buttons. All right, I hope that helps. Thanks, guys.